Bob lost 10 points 8 times playing a video game. He lost an additional 50 points for going over a time limit. What was the total change in his score? So first let me write what we have given here. We had that he lost 10 points 8 times because he lost 10.8 times. So we have to multiply first 8 times negative 10. Why negative 10? Because he lost. When he lost, when we have a word lost going down, we have to use negative sign before the number. And because it was 8 times, I have to multiply negative 10 times 8. Next, he lost additional 50 points because he lost, so we have plus negative points. Again, negative number because he lost. And what we have here? We have multiplication, we have addition. When we have multiplication and addition, we have to do first multiplication and next addition. The order of operation for negative numbers is the same like for positive. So first multiplication, next addition. We have 8 times negative 10. Positive number times negative is negative, or positive times negative on, or negative times positive give me always negative number. So we have negative sign, 8 times 10 we have to multiply, plus negative 50. So this is equal, negative sign we have to copy, 8 times 10 is 80, plus we have negative 50. We have addition now of two negative numbers because both of them negative, so we copy negative sign and we just add these two numbers, 80 and 50. So this is equal, negative sign we have to rewrite, 80 plus 50 is 130. We got negative number. Because we got a negative number, it means that he lost this 130 points. You can write he lost 130 points. Why lost? Because we got negative number. This is my solution.